Tonight's topic is on a particular thing called evaluations. What I mean by evaluation is it's the tools and techniques that we use to give us confidence that our machine learning system is working. And I didn't say model deliberately, because the model is only a small part of it, realistically. Often people talk about evaluations on models as well, right? So you get the evaluations that are done on the big labs models, like the Claude models, OpenAI, and so on. These are evaluations done by big labs to understand things like how safe the model is, or how well aligned it is to human interest, or how good the responses the model gives are according to human-provided feedback. But that's not really what we're talking about here. We're talking about situations where someone wants to build and productionize an AI-powered product. And in that case, what we want to do is evaluate not just the model, but the whole system in completeness to understand whether it performs correctly, whether it does the right things. It's especially become interesting in light of generative AI, because we went through a phase where everybody built chatbots and put them on the internet, and suddenly realized that the public will try to break those chatbots. The public will try to convince those chatbots to, for example, and this is a real-life case, sell them a free car, or write a poem about how terrible a particular insurance company is, and so on, right? So that's one reason for doing evaluations, but there's a lot more to it than that. It's also worth saying that it's related closely, but it's not the same as monitoring. So monitoring is about that ongoing thing you do in production to convince yourself that the thing you've deployed is still doing the right thing. And the reason you do that is because data can change, because there's things you simply didn't anticipate when you built the thing in the first place. You do a lot of the same things when you do monitoring as you do evaluation, but evaluation is something you do prior to deployment. You run an evaluation suite to understand whether the thing works correctly when you deploy it to production.